So Snapchat was taking a large chunk of my storage even though I don't even save snaps to my iPhone. So guys, this is Umar from DIY Tech, and in this video I'll be showing you how to fix your Snapchat if it's taking a lot of storage on your iPhone. So the first thing you want to do is you want to head on to the storage of your iPhone and you want to see how much Snapchat is basically taking. For me, it was 15 GB on my other iPhone, and on this iPhone, it's almost taking 12 GB. So after that, you basically just have to go on your Snapchat and you want to click on your profile picture. After that, you want to click on settings. And in the settings, you need to find the option for privacy controls. So in clear data, it's going to give you many different options, and you want to click on the last one which says clear cache data. You want to click on that. After that, it's going to give you a notification that it's going to get rid of all of the cache data. It won't mess with your memories and stuff. You just basically just have to click clear and you have to wait for a couple of minutes. To be honest, it was almost taking 15 GB on my other iPhone, and after doing these steps, it got back to 2 or 3 GB, which I think is kind of fine. But taking up almost 14 to 15 GB of storage on your iPhone is kind of odd. And I was trying to search on YouTube about this, and most people were just saying to basically uninstall the app or offload the app, which could have the same kind of effects. But I think this way it's much more convenient. You don't have to uninstall the app and you can just basically do it from your Snapchat settings. So basically, it's going to get rid of all of the stored videos on the Snapchat. It won't mess with your memories and stuff, but all of the old chat which you can access without internet, it's going to be gone. You have to basically reload it, and some other things which comes under cache data. So with that being said, I think that's pretty much it for this video. So if you like the video, make sure you give it a like, and if you're new, consider subscribing and become a part of this channel. And thanks for watching, and goodbye.